got it all here to mourn my bank account. Hello, happy good time of the day. I am very happy you made it to this super weird corner of the internet. I bought shoes. To the shock of no one, I got 2 pairs of shoes that I really want to share with you because I'm obsessed, and that doesn't even begin to cover it. One is Christmas present and the second pair is also a Christmas present. Big difference. Both are from me to me. Anyway, we've got 2 pairs. One's French and the other pair is French with my absolute favorite. Let me put this on the other side. Dior. Dior, first of all, love. Secondly, this is not going to be superbly exciting to people that think the Dior sling bags are hideous. I am actually starting a little collection, if you will, because this is my second pair of the Dior sling bags pumps. I love it, and I've got the black pump, and this is not the black pump. The moment I saw the collection, it's from the Cruise collection from 2021, so Cruise 2022, I knew I needed something from the white and gold collection, and this was just it. So yeah, without further ado, let's welcome Studio. And I am cheating because, you know, this has been opened, but you know, for the purposes, it came with a ribbon. It came with the Dior star, which is currently decorating our Christmas tree. It's a gorgeous ornament, you know. Dior. Oh, by the way, if you want to check just the shoe, there is a timestamp down below if you're not here for my glorious face and unwanted commentary. I get that. I still appreciate you. White box. I got these in Harrods, Dior Harrods, Dior sling bags, tons of paper. All right, let's get into it. I'm already excited. And I've seen them many times. I've worn them many times. In the house, of course. The horror. Oh my god, glorious. Okay, glorious. Okay, let me go with the other shoe so that I can be all messy when showing them off and using both of my hands. Oh, glorious. Okay, so thingy, little thingy off. Thingy, little thingy off. Are you seriously going to tell me that these are not glorious, fabulous, and I'm going to be slaying and serving them looks? These are for work, but also party, wedding, possibly, definitely Christmas dinner, which is now way past us. I just can't, absolutely cannot comprehend how much I love these. The white and gold is absolutely beautiful. The heel is golden, the most comfortable shoe to break into, I have to admit. It takes a bit, and also this piece, when it's rubbing off the skin, it hurts a bit for a while, but you know, I haven't felt my feet forever now, so who cares? I just think these are so beautiful. Look, now I got them in 40.5. I usually get Dior shoes in 40.5, but if you don't want to be, these are not leather, these are fabric, obviously, so they're not going to break and they're not going to expand. Nothing is going to happen to them. In terms of sizing, so yeah, just bear that in mind that yeah, it's not leather, it's not going to expand or anything. Love, Merry Christmas, Linda, Happy Holidays. Now, let's get into shoe number 2. Let's pull the other designer, Mr. Christian Louboutin. Yeah, I mean, okay, so I understand that buying shoes from Louboutin is probably not the most. Oh, hello. Oh my goodness, the sales associate says, enjoy your new pumps. That's such. Mate, appreciate you. Thank you. I will. I promise I will. Where are we? Right. So I understand that, you know, buying shoes from Louboutin is absolutely mainstream, basic, or whatever you might think of it, but still, it's Louboutin. It's iconic, I love it, and I'm not buying it for the red sole. I'm actually, especially this pair, was not bought for the red sole. I bought it because, first of all, the sales associate told me that this very pair, been worn by the only Rihanna. And I was like, sold. But then, you know, I had to play hard to get. So he's also said Khloe Kardashian, which was like, okay, Khloe, don't really stand her as a person, but she's tall, beautiful, and she's got some fabulous fashion choices. So you know what, Rihanna, let's go back to Rihanna. Love. So I did not buy it for the rest of I absolutely wanted to be 20 with Rihanna, which is not happening. So let me show you what's going on in here. So we've got boxy extra heels, the thingies. Ooh, a white dust bag. I think Christian Louboutin had red dust bags. I haven't bought Louboutins for a while. So, dust bags, glorious, glorious. Backstory. Okay, I'm gonna do noise first and then talking. You're so pretty. Welcome home, babies. Now, backstory. I wanted white pump for spring 2022 because I'm not playing lockdown anymore. I'm done. I won the game. I survived. So I want to get out. I want to be out and about and doing things and serving looks, you know, being all beautiful, brilliant, fantastic, but most importantly, outside. Ideally still socially distant because, you know, people, but where were we? Yeah, right, white pump. Spring look. I wanted a white pump so that it ties, because I think it ties everything together. And when silly little me walked into Christian Louboutin boutique, I thought that I'm just going to get the hot chick in white and, you know, what's your uncle? The hot chick in white is patent leather, and so is this. But I digress. I'm not the biggest fan of patent leather. I like the brushed leather. I like velvet suede, whatever, not patent, unless it's iconic color like the hot chicken in purple or golden yellow or whatever that is Christian Louboutin currently selling. But I was after a white shoe, and I am bad at many things, but I'm actually good at getting what I want. So I spoke with the sales associate and I was like, yeah, sure, but however. And then he asked about my size, and I am 41 and a half in Louboutin, depends on how uncomfortable the shoe is. If it's very uncomfortable, I go 41 and a half. If it's okay-ish, I go 41. I've got a pair of booties, the suede booties, the 85 height, 8.5 centimeters, which is like yay high. And they are 41 and a half, and I always kept thinking like, I should have not gotten the 0.5 because it's just not worth it, because it's a very comfortable shoe. Whereas this one, I was worried that it will be uncomfortable, but they didn't have it in the 41 and a half because, okay, again, let's roll it back. This type of shoe has been usually done, you know, custom per request, so it hadn't been really sold mainstream. However, it became popular or something. They made it a bit more mainstream. They made a certain amount of pairs and rolled it out. This pair is a 41, and I was lucky enough that it was in the boutique. I couldn't leave them behind, you guys. I couldn't leave them behind. I could not. They're just glorious. And we love each other now, and we're together now. I'm twinning with Rihanna, Dad. I've always thought that this type of, like, you know, straps or type whatever shoe is more like a party shoe, but I think that the white tones it down a lot, and it's a great design. I think it looks fabulous. I think it looks very romantic for spring, definitely for dresses, definitely to be worn with jeans. I was just sold on sport. I could actually wear it to work, and it's not that shouty. It's just glorious. That's it. So yeah, I wasn't just sold on the basis that this is a Rihanna shoe, but it's a Rihanna shoe. I'm twinning with Rihanna. Look, I'm twinning with Rihanna. I'm going to also try some styling options. I'm not sure how that's going to go, because I've got so many ideas and I need to go through it somehow in my head so that I can put it together. But I'm just so happy with these guys. These are just so glorious. So glorious. Alright, I was so happy to share these with you. it does make me ridiculously happy and I can't stop smiling. So until the next time, stay awesome, stay cool. Thanks for stopping by and I'll see you then. Bye.